Hi, my name is Mark Pruitt. I'm a professional software engineer, and I'm also the owner of Grounds to Clean. Cindy pointed out to me that Paul Reeves, and shout out to Paul for mentioning this, Paul mentioned that there are entities in the state of New York looking for opportunities to sue website owners when their sites are not ADA compliant. I'm going to show you how I checked our site, and you'll be able to do the same thing to check your website if you want to. I prefer Google Chrome, but I know that Microsoft Edge will also allow you to do exactly what I'm about to show you, and I'm certain that other major web browsers can do this for you as well. So I searched for, is my site ADA compliant? And one of the results that I got was to a site called webfx.com. So I'm going to click into this. Now this is going to tell you, among other things, about a tool called Lighthouse. Lighthouse checks performance measurables on a site. One of the other things it does is it will allow you to check if your website is ADA compliant. So it mentions tools like Wave and Lighthouse. Now in Chrome, Lighthouse is a tool that's built in for developers that you can use, and I'm going to show you how you can do that. I'm going to open up a new tab and go to my site. And once the site is open, I can right-click anywhere in this page. And in the menu that opens up, click Inspect. And one of the options on this new menu in Developer Tools is Lighthouse. So I'm going to click Lighthouse. This will allow you to generate for free a Lighthouse report. Now you can leave these pretty much set at default. You can choose whether you want your site tested as a mobile device browser or a desktop browser. But the important thing here is under categories, you want to make sure that accessibility is checked. And since that's what I'm focused on, I'm going to unclick these others so it doesn't draw our attention away. Now, after I ask it to analyze my page, it's going to run some tests. And what it comes back with is an accessibility score of 94%. So the accessibility for a person who would fall into any category for ADA on my website is 94%. There's a very good chance they'll be able to use my site. Now it looks like there's a few opportunities for some tweaks, and I'll get around to those. But the important thing is I am well above the threshold that these scammers are looking for. I also can tell you that I have already tested this site as a mobile device and not a website on a desktop, and it scores even better, 98%. Now, if you test your site and you find out that your accessibility score is not where it should be, somewhere around 75 or 80% is the threshold these folks are looking for. I believe there are individuals within BNI that can help you work on these issues, so you can reach out to them and get these things fixed. But this is a quick and easy way for you to check and make sure that your website is not vulnerable to one of these scam attacks where they try to get you involved in a lawsuit.